What's going on, guys? This is the air filter that was in my bike last week for the Hare Scramble FTR. If you've seen that video, it was a really dusty course. I personally like using these Uni filters. This is the filter I used for the FTR race, the Hare Scramble. You can see it's pretty caked up down here in the bottom end, the top end. It's definitely pretty dusty. But one of the things I like about these filters that you can take apart like this, the two-piece filters, is I can separate it and see how much dirt and dust has made it past that and into the tighter, more coarse intersection here. And I can see a little bit right here, right there, a little bit right here. But as long as it's not too bad, it's like about this level right here, that kind of gives me some assurance that not a whole lot of dust made it through into my motor. So that's, that's one of the things that kind of give me a warm and fuzzy feeling on air filters, is be able to take them apart like this and check it out. I just use Yamalube foam air filter oil here. It's really tacky and thick. You got to put it on by hand, but it works really good at collecting all this nasty dust. Getting my bikes ready for the weekend. I think I'm going to take the YZ125 out again. I had so much fun racing it at the Hare Scramble last weekend. Going out to Moto Bros Okeechobee. Going to take off the brush guards, put my number plates back on it. Same with her bike. Change oil, tighten the chain, check the tire pressure, all that good stuff. Get them track ready again. So I hope to see you guys out there. If not, I hope you guys have a great weekend of riding wherever you're at. And catch you next week.